I'm Tamiko from Graco. I'm going to show you how to install the Transitions 3-in-1 harness booster forward-facing with the vehicle seat belt. First, we're going to remove the headrest on the vehicle seat if your vehicle owner's manual allows it. Next, we're going to make sure that the lower anchors are properly stored. Then we're going to unhook our tether and put it over the back of the vehicle seat. We're not going to attach it just yet. We're just going to put it here to make sure that we don't forget it. Make sure your car seat is flat on the vehicle seat with at least 80% of the base on the vehicle seat. Next, we're going to expose the forward-facing belt path. Next, we're going to route our vehicle seat belt through the forward-facing belt path and buckle. Next, we're going to lock the vehicle seat belt. We're going to pull out slowly and then let the seat belt go back into the retractor. If I pull on it, it should be locked. Next, we're going to push on the center of the seat and pull on the seat belt to tighten. As I'm doing this, I'm feeding the slack back into the retractor. Next, we're going to attach our tether to the vehicle tether anchor and tighten. Next, we're going to test for tightness. We're going to grab at the forward-facing belt path and move the seat side to side and front to back. It shouldn't move more than 1 inch in either direction. If it does, press down on the center of the seat and remove more slack. And then test for tightness again. Now you can replace your seat cover. Make sure you put your harness back in front of the seat. Now you're ready for your child.
Now that your seat is installed, you're ready to buckle her in. You want to make sure that the harnesses are at or just above her shoulders, and that the crotch belt is in front of but not underneath her body. Gently tighten the harnesses until they're snug, and position the chest clip level with her armpits. You can check the harness for the correct tightness by pinching the harness. If you can't grab any material, she's ready to go.